How to make your post shareable on Facebook, either for friends only or either for public as well. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In today's guide video, I'll show you the way on how you can actually make your post shareable either for friends or for public. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. Now first of all, simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Facebook app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Facebook, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the Facebook application, I want you to go over and simply open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. So if you are logged in, you can see this is how the interface is going to look like. Now what you can do is simply go ahead and then try to create a simple post over here, and I'll just go ahead and then first of all I'll just tap on the what's on your post button, and I'll just select a random one just to show you guys first of all. And now what I will do is I'll just go ahead and enter any of the text or any of the photos or videos that I want to make shareable. Once I do that, if you want the public to share your post and see them as well, you can tap on the public option over here or the privacy option, and you want to make sure it is set to public and tap on done. Or if you want to make your post only shareable to friends, then tap on this option again and just select the option called friends and tap on the done button. And once you're done, just tap on the post button, which is at the top right corner of the screen. What this does is that only people who view your post will actually be able to share your post, and as a result, people who do not view it will not be able to share it. Hopefully this video answered your question. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.